5 best work at home for introverts. Here are the top 5 work from home jobs that combine flexibility and earning potential. Discover your perfect remote role today. So hey guys, and welcome to this video. I'll show you step by step how you can use these 5 jobs to start earning money with it. So the first one we have here, Promos. As you can see, all you have to do is go to Google Play and then search about Promos, as you can see, like that. And this is the application. Have to do is just install it, and then you search earn money completing tasks, surveys, or taking photos. So to make money on promos.com, start by sign up as a contributor on their platform. Promos.com offers a variety of tasks of involving data collection and local research, which can include taking photos, answering surveys, or providing other location-based information. Once you are registered, browse the available tasks in your area and select ones that match your interests and expertise. Complete these tasks accurately and efficiently to earn money. As you typically receive payment upon task completion and review, the key to maximizing your earnings is to stay active on the platform, quickly accept and complete tasks, and consistently deliver high quality work to build a good reputation and gain access to more opportunities. Then we have the second one, is Fairfiction. So this is the homepage of Fairfiction. So to make money on Fairfiction, all I have to do is start by sign up as a tester on their platform. Then this is button that you have to click over here, log in, and then you write your personal information and you get started with Fairfiction. So Fairfiction specializes in usability testing and user feedback for websites and apps. Once you are registered, you'll have access to various testing opportunities where you evaluate digital products based on user experience criteria. You will complete tasks such as navigation, websites or apps, providing detailed feedback on your experience and reporting any issues or suggestions for improvement. Payment is typically made upon the successful completion of these tests and submission of your feedback. To maximize your earnings, stay engaged with the platform, respond quickly to testing invitation, and deliver raw high quality feedback to build a strong profile and increase your chances of getting more testing opportunities. So that's it with Fairfiction, as you can see. Then let's move on to the next one we have here. It's SurveyTime. So this is the homepage of SurveyTime. We have here how you can sign up. You click over here Google or Facebook or email, and you write your personal information and you click over agree to the terms of service, and then you get started with it. So to earn money on SurveyTime, start by sign up for an account on their platform. As I mentioned before, SurveyTime connects users with paid surveys from various market research companies. Once you registered, you receive notifications about available surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Complete the surveys honestly and truthfully to earn rewards. As SurveyTime offers a fixed payment of $1 for each survey completed, payments are typically processed quickly, often via PayPal or gift cards, making it a straightforward way to earn money. To maximize your earnings, regularly check for new surveys, be prompt in responding to invitations, and ensure you meet the qualification criteria for each survey to increase your opportunities for earning. So that's it, how it works with SurveyTime. And here we have here in the homepage, how does SurveyTime work? All I have to do is sign up for SurveyTime for free. Tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey. Start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. So let's move on to the next one we have here, PaperTrue. So to make money on PaperTrue, you can start by signing up as a freelancer on their platform, which specializes in editing and proofreading services. Once registered, you'll be able to take an editing assignment where you review and refine documents such as academic papers, business reports, or manuscripts to improve their clarity, coherence, and overall quality. Ensure that you have a strong grasp of grammar, style, and formatting rules to provide high quality edits. So your earnings will depend on the number of assignments you complete and their complexity. To maximize your income, maintain a high standard of work, meet deadline, and build a positive reputation on the platform, which can lead to more and higher paying assignments over time. So that's it, how you can earn money on Papertrue. Then let's move on to Metro Opinion. The first step, you have to choose your country first, and then we have here how you can earn money with it. So you sign up, answer, and get paid. So to make money on Metro Opinion, all you have to do is paid survey opportunities. After registration, you'll receive invitations to participate in surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Each survey you complete will earn you money, and the Metro Opinion typically provides a range of topics for various interests. To maximize your earnings, regularly check your account for new survey opportunities. Ensure you complete surveys thoroughly and honestly, and strive to meet any qualification criteria. Additionally, maintaining an active profile and promptly responding to invitations can help you secure more surveys and consequently increase your overall earnings. So that's it with Metro Opinion and how it works. Let's move on to the last one. It's Appen. So here we have Appen here. So to earn money on Appen, begin by signing up and creating a profile on their platform, which specializes in micro tasks and flexible work opportunities related to artificial intelligence and data. After registration, you'll have access to various projects such as data annotation, transcription, and search engine evaluation. To maximize your earnings, select tasks that align with your skills and interests and complete them accurately and efficiently. Appen offers flexible working hours so you can work around your schedule and take on multiple tasks to increase your income. Staying active and maintaining a good performance record can also lead to more job opportunities and higher paying assignments over time. So that's it with Appen, as you can see, and this is how it works with these 5 jobs. Have Promos first, Verpiction, and then we have Survey Time here. We have Papertrue, Metro Opinion, and then we have Appen. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.